Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Lovett, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a very simple fabric flower. You can use this flower to decorate several areas of your dress, though we have several designs of fabric flowers, but this right here is very easy and fast to make. So if you're interested in this, just keep on watching, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel or you are just coming across this channel for the first time, please click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell in order to be notified each time I drop a new video. And if this tutorial is helpful, please give me a thumbs up and share my video. So let's get started. So guys, to make this fabric flower, I'll be making use of this Mikado fabric. Each flower consists of 6 pieces that comes together. So if you want to attach 3 pieces of this fabric flower to your front dress and 3 pieces to the back, you might have to get close to 1 yard of the fabric you are using. So for the length, I measured 5 inches, and for the width I'm going to be using 3 inches. So I measured 5 inches for the length and 3 inches for the width. So I marked it out like this. So the next thing is that from here, from the 3 inches here, I'm going to divide the 3 inches into 2. So that will give me 1.5. So I divided it into 2. I did the same thing here as well. So and here I divided the 5 inches into 2, which will be 2.5. So I ruled it out like this, and I divided the 3 inches here as well. So and I joined it together like this. So the next thing after is that I'm going to um shape it out like this. So it's going to have like an oval shape. So it's going to be like an oval shape. So I just shape it out a little bit like this. So this end here is going to be bigger, while this the front is going to be smaller. So it's going to be sharp like this. So it's going to have an oval shape. So that is just it. So the next thing now is that I will try and cut it out. So that is just it is just as simple as that. So this is what I have, guys. After I'm done cutting it out, you can see it has like an oval shape. So this one that I've cut out, I'm going to be placing it on my fabric like this, because I will be needing 12 pieces. So this is what I have. I've cut out 12 pieces. Each flower has 6 pieces, so I'm going to be placing 2 on each other like this. So and I'm going to be joining it together with half an inch. So I'm going to be joining it round like this. So when I get to some point here, I'm going to stop joining. So I'm going to leave out like 1 inch, and that is where I'm going to be turning it over. So I'm going to take it to the machine and do that, then I'll show you what I have. So guys, this is what I have after I have joined 2 pieces together. So you can see I left out like 1 inch. That is where I'm going to be turning it out. So that is it. So the next thing now is that I'm going to be notching the sides like this, so the oval shape can be visible very well, so that the shape can come out well. So that's the reason why I'm notching it. So when I'm done with that, the next thing is that I'm going to turn it over like this. So this is how to turn it over. I'll push it in like this, and I will use my scissors to smoothen all the rough edges. I'm going to use my scissors to smooth it out. So The next thing now is that I'm going to close up that 1 inch that I left open. So I'm going to fold it in a little, as you can see me doing. Just be careful with it. So it is just so simple to make. So I'm just going to try and fold it in like this. Then I'll take it to my machine and I'm going to run a little stitch just to close up the 1 inch that I left out. So that is it. So this is what I have, guys, after I'm done with the joining of the 6 pieces that will be coming together to make one flower. So, and I've closed up the 1 inch that I left behind. So this is the next thing now is that I'm going to be placing it on each other like this. So I will take it to my machine, then I will run a little stitch just to join the two together. Then after I'm done, I'll place another one on the other side like this, and I'll run a little stitch on it as well. So this is what I'm going to be doing. So in order to be able to join all the 6 pieces together to form one flower, so I'll take it to my machine and I'll try to join the pieces together. Then I'll show you what I have. So guys, after joining it together, this is what I have. So you can see one flower is already done. It is just as simple as that. You can see how beautiful it's looking already. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be placing my glittering stone on it like this. So I'm going to be using needle and thread to tag this on the flower in order to give it more beauty. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to attach this glittering stone on it just to add to the beauty and to cover up the little sewing that I have on the flower, and that is it. It is just as simple as that. So this is what I have, guys, after I'm done with the joining, and I've attached the glittering stone on it as well. You can see how beautiful the flowers looking. So the next thing now is just to take it and attach this to my fabric. You can attach this to your gown, you can use it to make a sleeve. You can use it to make a headband. You can use it on different parts of your clothes, so in order to add to the beauty of your style. So it's just as simple as that. So thank you so much for staying tuned. Thank you so much for watching. So guys, if this tutorial has been helpful, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share my videos. So thank you so much for watching, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and click on the notification bell in order to be notified anytime I drop a new video. And don't forget to share my videos as well. So thank you so much. I will see you in my next video, and please don't forget to click on my channel and see different beautiful tutorials on how to make different styles. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.